This is the reassembly part of a guide for finishing an LCD replacement. Please click the suggested link to watch the disassembly part. Take the new LCD screen and place it between the bezel and the back cover. Reconnect the video cable and close the connector's bracket. Secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any connectors. As well, you must not twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Lift the screen with the bezel up and align the screen with its mounting holes. Replace 4 Phillips screws, 1 in each corner. Snap the bezel in place. Press firmly in the bottom corners, then go around the perimeter, snapping the tabs back in place. Make sure that the bezel fits properly at the hinge cover. Press the power button, and if the startup graphics appear, the LCD screen has been installed correctly, and we're done.